Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Mass Commerce Learning. In this video, we'll be focusing on investment for your future. The various topics include why you have to invest, what are the different avenues which you have where you can invest, and if you invest for long term, what benefit you will get. Now, without wasting time, directly we will heading towards our topic. Now, let's see what is investing. Investing in simple, it's just like planting a seed so that you will get benefit in future. The same seed will become tree. Later on, from same tree, you will get shadow. Based on that intention, you are going to invest now. So that benefit you will consider as well as you will take in future. Why people will invest? Here, people will invest for various reasons, such as few people will invest to grow money over time. If same amount, if they kept at home, it won't grow. If instead of that, if you invest in bank or else stock market or various schemes, you will get benefit over a period of time. To beat inflation, purchasing power will decrease day by day. To cope up with that particular rate, you have to invest. To beat inflation, you have to invest as well as to achieve life goal. If you have any plans, like you want to purchase any house or car or anything, for that also you're required to invest. People also invest to earn extra income and to save tax. If you invest, you will get ATC deductions, you will get based on that one, few people will invest. Apart from that, to gain financial freedom, that people will also invest, hoping that they will retire early. If you want to retire early, then also you have to invest. Now, if you want to invest, what are the things which you have to consider? What plan, what things which you have to do initially? For that, we are having three criteria which you have to fulfill before investing for long term. First and foremost, health insurance must and should. Everyone have to get this health insurance, or else whatever amount you have saved, that you will withdraw and you will use for emergency purpose. Even for life insurance, I will be talking about term insurance is must and should. At least you have to get term insurance. Lastly, emergency fund also required, as if something happened during that particular time, you have to meet your expenses at least for 6 months. Maximum up to 12 months is ideal, but 6 months if you kept means that is also enough. If you are having all these 3 points, then definitely you can start your investing. Now the question will come, where I have to invest? For investing, we are having different type of investments such as low risk investment, medium risk, as well as high. As you all know, based on risk, our returns also will differ. Based on risk, our investment also differ. If you are taking low risk and expecting high return, that is not at all possible. So based on risk, return also vary. Now we are having three categories which I have divided based on risk. Now let's see low risk, different option which you are having under low risk. If we consider low risk, first and foremost, we will get a deposit. As everyone knows, we are having commonly FD as well as RD. In both cases, you can invest and you can earn amount. But the rate of interest is minimum because here the rate of risk is also minimum. You will get around 6 to 8% of returns normally. Apart from that, you will be having another option such as you can invest in provident fund, employees provident fund also you can invest if you are having. But apart from employee, that is EPF, you will be having another option that is PPF, that is public provident fund, which is backed by government, as well as here also you will get interest rate of 7.1% component annually. Apart from provident fund, you will be having other plans as well, such as Sukanya scheme, which is launched by government only for girls. If you are having one girl child under 10 years, you can get benefit out of this particular thing. Here, parents have to invest behalf of girl, and after 18 years, you will get amount 50% for education, as well as after 15 years, you can withdraw fully. This is another better plan because here maximum interest rate you will get from government. It is 8.2% interest rate which government will offer on this particular scheme. Moreover, that one, if you want to double your investment, what plan you are having? That is safer plan means that is Kisan Vikas Patra. Here you will get 7.5% per annum interest. With this is one in 115 months, your amount will get double. But the thing is no tax benefit. Along with that one, if you are having senior citizen with their name also, you can start one particular scheme. Here you will get interest rate of 8.2%, which is similar to Sukanya scheme. This is another maximum rate of interest which government will provide, as well as you will get tax benefit under Section 80C. Lastly, and most popular, that is gold. In gold nowadays, we are having different plan. You can buy ETF, you will be having mutual funds, average, gold bond, digital, as well as uh, even that is most famous, that is physical one. If you want to invest, you can instead of physical one, you can buy mutual fund, ETF, uh, average bond, as well as a digital gold. Also, you can invest so that this particular gold is become little bit more liquid and you can easily convert that one into cash. So these are all the different avenue which we are having in low risk. Now coming to moving forward to medium risk investment, here we will be having different avenues such as corporate bond, real estate, mid cap, large cap, small cap, stock. I am talking about shares and all, as well as debt mutual fund. Here also you can invest based on your preference. You can invest if you are ready to invest in real estate. If you are having large fund and all, you can invest in real estate. And if you are having low amount as well as you can what else do SIP and all, then you can select mutual fund and all. It may be debt or else shares. In both cases, you can invest in mutual fund. Likewise, in high risk also we will be having a startup fund as well as crypto investment. Coming to startup, it's like the name itself. Here we are having different points such as limited access. You can't easily get to know about these startups and all. Only few people are aware, and they will be investing in this particular scheme. Even in crypto and all, you require basic knowledge. Without basic knowledge, it's just like gambling with your money. Let's see what is gambling and all. Why I'm talking about this saying word like gambling on crypto. If you know, this Trump meme currency have been launched recently. During that particular time, within one day, the amount, if you observe here, $7 have become $70 in one day. That is 10x amount you will get if you know this particular cryptocurrency. But those people who invest at 70, what will happen to them? The current price is 8.9. The people who invest at 70, they will be facing more loss. So it's just like gambling only. If you don't know and if you are not aware of crypto and all, it's a very, very difficult situation. Even Melina meme, that is wife of um, Trump, currency once the currency is launched during that time, that $10, now the same thing is 0.21. So you can observe how much loss they have faced, those who invest initially. So without having a knowledge of crypto, you can't invest. Now, if you invest in basic plan and all, what you will get? If you are having at least 100 rupees, and if you invest in large cap, mid cap, or else small cap, if you are doing SIP and all, what amount you will get? After 1 year, after 5 years, 100 have become in small cap 10,000 rupees in 5 years. Even if you invest 5,000 per month, what will happen? First year, 5 years. In 5 years, amount will become 5 lakh. This is 5 years, 10 years, and 20 years. Just check 1 CR corpus you have created with only 5,000 investment per month. So this how you have to plan your activity. If you invest in large cap or else mid cap, just check the difference or small cap. So it's not like that you only have to get maximum return in small cap. Even if you select mid cap, you will be crossing 1 CR. If you only manage 2,000 rupees in such situation, let's see what will happen to your investment after 20 years. First year, after 5 years, after 10 years, after 20 years. Here also you are crossing 50 lakh rupees in small cap, 40 lakh in mid cap, just in large cap 20 lakh rupees. So even in by investing 2,000 per month, you can get around 50 lakh if you invest in if you are investing in small cap. Now, how to create account? It's very simple. Demat account you can open easily. Only you have to visit website where you have to open. You have to fill personally details with your mobile as well as email ID, PAN as well as bank account, KYC with Aadhaar, one photo, and your account will get activated. Nowadays it's very easy to open trading account. But still, what is our current financial awareness which we are having? Now, if we check a financial literacy rate, we are lacking behind. Youth only 19% having knowledge of financial literacy knowledge. They are having rural side only 23%. Likewise, women are having lower knowledge than men. Digital financial literacy. Even though 82% people will use online payment and all, but still only 31% know the risk involved in this particular payment. Basic financial concept knowledge, such as simple interest, inflation, time value of money, compound interest, even that basic knowledge people are um, lacking behind in this getting basic financial concept knowledge. Saving behavior. Coming to this particular saving behavior, also people are not having saving behavior. Only 60% are having long-term planning. 59% are having monthly budget planning. Passive savings, 58%. Along with that one, where people will invest, still people are investing in tangible assets. That is 96. Equity exposure, only 4.7 people are having knowledge of equity. Financial asset, only 4% are investing in financial asset. Now let's see where our company standing in participation in stock market. If you observe here, only 6% of our population are involving in stock market here, but whereas America 55%, Canada 49, Australia 37, but where are we? We are only 6%. What government have taken measures to increase this awareness? Coming to that one, we are having financial inclusion index. Because of that one, growth have been seen from 60 to 64 in 24. Apart from that, Jan Dhan Yojana, as everyone knows, now nearly 80% of people are having account. Digital payment, we are crossing this particular limit. We are at top nowadays. In world, we are the most people who are using digital payment. Strategy and all for this and all, government have planted what else, RBI have launched 1 week campaign regarding financial literacy, women awareness, and each and everything which whatever government have, they are putting everything to create financial awareness in public. Why we are lagging behind? Challenges in creating our financial awareness, such as education gap, which we are having, knowledge, what else, difference. We don't have that much access, misinformation as well as fraud, as well as a diverse population need, because each and every have, as everyone are having different financial need. To fulfill that financial need and all, it's very, very difficult. These are the ways in which we are lagging behind. Now it's the time to know, to learn finance and start investing so that our country will grow. Thank you.